Fam, let's talk about Seleko's 50th birthday. But before we do that, it seems like there's gonna be war in the upcoming episode between Maqele and Mayeni. So take a look at that.
But we are a family.
Last time we to banana
Unfortunately,
there's nothing I can do.
Now let's dive into Seleko's birthday. He has not been okay. We are all aware of that. And it seems like whatever illness that he had tempered with his speech, because whenever he speaks, he is slurring his words. So speedy recovery to him. Moving on to his birthday, a lot of trauma was going on. Pumelelo gave out a speech. He was disrespectful. He was saying things he wasn't supposed to be saying, which was absolutely unnecessary. He was busy calling himself a lion. I don't know why. I don't know what got into him. I don't even know what made him think he is a lion.
Ngibhubesela la ekhaya ngoba umthombeni nayo uyasho ukuthi ayi inqumo mina ngiyayithatha anginegotiate.
unfortunately,
Kuningi okwenzakalayo la ekhaya kithi kaMseleko engakuthandi nami kodwa ngeke sikhulume.
And nobody was impressed with his speech at all. So this is how Seleko felt about it.
Umphumelelo ukhuluma into out of tune because uma kukhona izinto ezingezinhle angayithandi ezenzeka phakathi komuzi akusona isikhathi sokuyikhuluma lesi.
And this is how Maqele felt about it.
Angikwazi ukukhuluma ngako ngoba uwendlu yakaMayeni mhlambe lokho akushoyo into ayenza mangabe esekhaya lakhe.
And this is how Mangwadi felt about it.
Hayi eyamabhubesi angiyazi. Angifuni nokudwela kakhulu kuyona because angiyazi.
And this is how his siblings felt about it.
I think that part of the speech could have been left out because now it's like, what is happening? Like,
Sneh had this to say.
Umpumelelo lokho bese kuchaza okunye kwabe ngingadingeka ukuthi akuchaze ngoba la besingazile ukuzochaza izinkinga zasegcikeni ekhaya besizo celebrate ibirthday yababa nje kuphela.
I don't know what or who he think he is, but whatever it is, he better take several seats. Then came time for Seleko to go to the podium and give his speech. And then out of the blue called out Mangwabe's son that she had before they married. That was not necessary, number one. Number two, Seleko was out of bounds. I don't know what he thought he was doing. I really don't. I don't understand what he thought he was doing. He chose to marry her and not take the child along. He chose to not embrace the son, and I'm saying this because Maqele said this.
I think mhlambe uyayincengela nje kuMangwabe ukhohlisa abantu bakaNgwabe abakhona lana angazi ngoba ubaba yakhe wayengitshela ukuthi ngiyazamthatha umuntu onengane.